Good morning everybody, and welcome back to another Code in 60 Seconds JavaScript edition. Today we're going to talk about recursion. Recursion can be a tricky topic, so we're going to break it down Barney style. An easy way to think of recursion is like it's a regular for or while loop. Opening node will see a looped countdown of all numbers after 10. This bit of code is your base case, or the condition in which your loop stops. This bit of code is your recursive step, which, much like an iterative step, is designed to get you closer to your base case so you don't break off into infinity.